In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Brevo email template. Once you are logged into your Brevo account, take a moment to look at the main navigation on the left side of the screen. This is where you will access the tools used for emails and other marketing content. To begin, click Marketing Campaigns in the left sidebar. This section is where Brevo keeps the assets you use to build and send messages, including templates. After you open Marketing Campaigns, find the option for Templates. Click Templates, then choose Create Template. This is the starting point for building a reusable email design, so you do not have to start from scratch each time you create a campaign. Templates are especially helpful for newsletters, announcements, and any email that follows a consistent style. Next, you will see a setup screen with basic settings. Review what is shown, and when you are ready to proceed, click Next to confirm the settings. This confirmation step is important because it ensures you are creating the template in the right place and with the correct configuration before you begin designing. Now you will move into the template gallery, add content from the template gallery, and pick a design that matches the kind of email you are creating. Choose a layout that fits your goal, such as a simple announcement layout or a more visual design if you plan to include images and multiple sections. Starting with a gallery design saves time and gives you a clean structure to build on. Once the editor opens, you will build the email using drag and drop blocks. Drag and drop blocks to add your content such as text sections, images, buttons, or dividers. As you place each block, keep your spacing consistent and make sure your most important message appears near the top. It also helps to keep fonts and colors consistent so the template looks polished and easy to read. When you are satisfied with the layout and content blocks, click Save and Quit. This saves your template so you can reuse it later for future campaigns, update it when needed, or duplicate it for variations. That covers everything you need to know.